Come test drive the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, cruise control, four-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, tachometer, remote keyless entry, trailer brake controller, cloth seat trim. Come take a test drive today.